My name is Kristin Campbell. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Physical Therapy at the University of British Columbia. My background originally is in physical therapy. I actually worked full-time as a physiotherapist for several years. I was very interested in the why things were happening in terms of the things I would see with my patients. What started me on this research path was I wanted to merge the worlds of women's health and physiotherapy, and one particular topic was potentially the role of exercise in reducing estrogen-related cancers like breast cancer. If exercise can help reduce the risk of cancer, and there's really no other suggested ways to reduce your risk of cancer at this point, I really want to understand how and why it might be beneficial and how we could make sure that makes it into people's health and well-being. Killam really gave me the opportunity to expand the research capabilities that we have in the lab and get new ideas to bring to our research. Research really is a team effort, especially when you do clinical type research where you're interacting with patients and maybe the healthcare providers that provide care for them. We have a research exercise gym, so we have a lot of undergrad students helping to supervise exercise. We have graduate students who are in charge of dealing with all of them and making sure they're getting the training they need. We want to change people's lives and make a difference. And I think when you have the opportunity to work with cancer survivors or patients undergoing treatment, and you can see the benefit that the interventions you're trying or the programs you're putting together can have for those people, it really keeps you motivated to find ways to expand how that's delivered so more people can have access, ask new questions so the programs can be better. It's really fun and interesting work, and you see the benefits directly in the people you work with. Being awarded a Killam is really, a validation that the work you're doing is important and other people see the value. When you're there day to day, you care and you think it's important, but you sometimes lose sight of other people finding it useful or beneficial. So I think the Killam Award really showed me that the work we're doing is important. So that was a really nice reassurance that what we're doing every day really does matter.